Good morning, boys and girls. I have missed you so much, and I have made these really fun flashcards for us to practice our math skills. So I'm going to guide you along with this assignment so that whenever I make you some more flashcards, you'll know exactly what to do. So we're going to do this together, and then throughout the week, I will send you some new flashcards. And then you can use your Chromebook or your tablet or your computer to begin working on your assignments. All right, so today we are going to compare numbers. We're going to compare amounts. Sorry, Miss Humphrey's hair is falling. So we're going to compare amounts. So what does it mean to compare? Compare means to look at two different amounts to see which one is greater or smaller. Greater or larger, that's a better way to put it. So, we're going to be comparing which group has the most amount. So, first, here we go. We're going to click next because we've already looked at this first slide. Okay, so our first question is the amount of apples, so how many apples, is the amount of apples greater than, less than, or equal to the amount of bananas? So together, let's count how many there are of each item. Let's start with bananas. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 bananas. Now let's count apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we had 6 bananas and 9 apples. Which one is more? How many more? Or which object is there more of? Apples, correct. So, we're going to click this greater than button. This means that there are more apples than bananas. This is the greater than sign. So we're going to click greater than because when the sign is open towards the amount, so it'll be facing the amount that is greater, that shows that that amount is greater and there's more of that than the other object. So we'll click greater than. Correct! Now it's going to take you to your next slide. So it says, select the box that has the least amount of objects in it. That means in parentheses it says it has less than the rest. So we're looking to see which box has the least amount of objects or the smallest amount of objects in the box. So let's start with our raindrops in the top left. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 raindrops. All right, let's count our clouds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 clouds. Let's count our flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 flowers. So let's remind ourselves we have 9 raindrops, 8 clouds, 7 flowers. Now let's count our sunshines. Sunshine is my favorite. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6 sunshines, 7 flowers, 8 clouds, 9 raindrops. Which box has the least amount of objects? Sunshines! That's right, there are 6 sunshines, and 6 is less than 7, 8, or 9 objects. So we'll click that with our hand, with our finger, or with our mouse. Correct! Okay, is 15 greater than, less than, or equal to 27? So is 15 a greater number or smaller number compared to 27? Let me ask you this. Is the number 27 bigger than 15? It is. It is a larger number than 15. So that tells us that 27 is greater than 15. So we're going to click our greater than sign one more time. Notice that sign is open toward the bigger number, and it's closed towards the smaller number. So 15 is less than 27. Okay, so it's around Easter time, so I decided to include some bunnies and chicks in here for fun, and it's springtime, which I love. So the question is the amount of chicks greater than, less than, or equal to the amount of Easter bunnies? All right, what are we going to do? It's time to count. You can count with your finger or with your mouse, which is what I will do. So, starting with our chicks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. What? To me, when I first looked at that, I did not think there were 16 chicks there, but there are. Alrighty. Let's count our bunnies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So, I'm noticing something. It looks to me that there are more bunnies, but I counted the same number for both objects. There are 16 chicks and 16 bunnies. So, that means they are equal. Okay, so which box has the most objects in it? Which means it has more or a greater amount than the rest of the objects. So let's count our objects one more time. Remember, we're looking for the most objects. So whichever box that has more objects. Okay, let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 9 sunshines, 4 clouds. Let's count chicks now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 chicks. There's a little bird on my fence. And how many is here? We have 1 sunshine in this box. So I have 1 sunshine here, 10 chicks, 4 clouds, and 9 sunshines. Which object do we have the most? Which object do we have more of? We have more chicks. Good job. All right. So is 26 greater than, less than, or equal to 17? Is 26 a bigger number? Does 26 come after or before 17? After. Great job. So we are going to select that 26 is greater than 17 because it's a bigger number. Okay, look at these fun LOL dolls and Batmans. I know some of you guys really love these guys. So, is the amount of LOL surprise dolls greater than, less than, or equal to the amount of Batmans? So we are comparing LOL dolls and Batman. So let's count together. LOL dolls first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10 LOL dolls. Now let's count Batmans. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 LOL dolls and 10 Batmans. So if we have 10 LOL dolls and 10 Batmans, do we have which, let me think of the question that I want to ask you. How can we compare those? Is the amount of LOL surprise dolls greater than Batman? No. Is the amount of LOL surprise dolls less than Batman's? No. Is the amount equal to the amount of Batman's? Yes. So we're going to click that equal sign. Good job. Alright, we're almost there. Look, we've got just a little bit left. This little bar will tell you just how much time you have or how many questions you have left. You'll see that you're halfway finished already. Okay, so which box has the most objects in it? So we've already done a question like this, so we already kind of know what to do. So we're going to start right here with our giraffes and count how many giraffes there are. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 giraffes. Let's count our dinosaurs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 dinosaurs. Now let's count our animals down here. There's a lot. Let's count, starting with the biggest animals first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Don't forget this little guy. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Oh my goodness. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. We have 21 animals in this box. That gives me a hint. I know that 21 is a bit larger number or a greater amount than 4 or 9. All right, let's count these guys. These are some friends holding hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are 12 friends holding hands. So, how many or which box has the most objects? 4, 9, 21, or 12? 21. There are 21 animals in this box, so this box has the most objects in it compared to the rest. Good job. All right, it's springtime. The flowers are blooming. Is the amount of flowers that are shown on the left greater than, less than, or equal to the amount of raindrops? What do? We have to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So there are 12 flowers that we see. Now let's count raindrops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So, how many flowers were there? There were 12 flowers. There are 18 raindrops. So, is the amount of flowers shown greater than, less than, or equal to the amount of raindrops? It's less than. So our closed edge will face towards the flowers, and the open part of the sign will face toward the raindrops to show that there are more raindrops than flowers. So the amount of flowers is less than the amount of raindrops. Great job. I love that little ding. All right, we have one question left. We can see that right here. One question left. Okay, is 30 greater than, less than, or equal to 20? Those are big numbers. So think about 30 and 20. Is 30 a larger number or a smaller number compared to 20? Does 30 come after 20 or before 20? 30 comes after 20. So it is a larger number. So 30 is greater than 20. Good job! Okay, so that's all you're really going to do for these flashcards. Take your time. You are not under a timer. You can count the objects over and over again if you need to. Do whatever you need to do. Take it step by step. If you have any questions, let me know. Okay, so that's a lesson that I would do distance learning wise for these students. Yeah, I would just go through each flashcard to give them a tutorial of how to do it. And then basically just give them a lot of practice on comparing objects. Each of my boom cards were created for a specific student's individualized education program, the IEP. So this is just for their goals. And so that really helped one of the girls with their IEP goals. And so she got to practice comparing and could take her time. I also put LOL dolls in there because she loves those, but I also knew that my CT would be sharing this with the whole class if needed. So I wanted to include Batman and the bunny and different things like that so that it can be more of a universal flashcard set than just for those girls specifically. So yeah, that is my boom cards, and let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.